Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I'm doing a small Temu haul today, and the first item I got straight off the rank was this little placemat. It's just to put on my table. My table's starting to get a little bit damaged now, some acetone marks, and I just thought I would just lay this down just for something nice underneath. It isn't actually what I expected, but it's okay, and it was only $2.05. Now the next product I got was this fake hand, so that I could start doing my nail designs on this rather than on my own hand. And that's mainly because I've always got one hand free and the other one painted, so if I do go out and I either have different nails on, or I have one hand done and one not. So, you know, I'd like to be able to keep my hands sort of painted the same, and I thought this hand would come in handy to be able to create some designs, and I thought, why not? And it was $15.42, so it was just one of the cheaper ones. It's not the one, you can get them where they have an arm to sort of clip onto your desk and everything, but I don't really have the space for that. So I just got this one, and these nails just sit on top, so you can use the sticky tabs for them to sit on top. They don't sort of slide under the groove like I've seen some other ones do, but it'll serve its purpose for me. We'll see how it goes. The fingers are bendy, and we'll just see how it goes. Let me know what you think. And of course I had to get some rings to dress up this hand. So this pack of 9 rings was literally only $1.17, and I thought these will be good enough. It's just basically to give it a little bling and make the hand look a little nicer when I'm displaying it. And yeah, I thought, why not? I mean, the rings don't fit my fingers, they're quite small, but they will fit her hand. She's got quite a little hand, so I'll just quickly show you what they look like on, and I'll move on. Now I will show you all of the polishes that I got, and I will do swatches for each one as well ahead of time so that you can see what they look like. Now the first polish I'm going to show you is by a brand, forgive me if I say this wrong, I'm going to pronounce it Bauschiman, and it's a green, almost like an emerald green. It's a little bit darker than what it shows in the picture on Temu, but it is a gorgeous color. And I'm going to do 2 coats of this for the swatch, and as you can see, it really produces a beautiful cat eye, and that was only $3.43, and it's a decent sized bottle as well. So that I think is gorgeous. And I also got this little magnet, which I will be trying out to see. I'm not overly experienced in doing the little magnet designs, but I'm going to give it a try. And this was only $1.71. The next polish is by a brand called Bombazelle, and it is shade DT84. It was $4.63, but I've just looked online and it has been discontinued. Now this next polish is by the brand Zayayi. Here I go trying to pronounce things again. And this is a gorgeous purple color. I use a lot of this brand and I'm always very happy with it, and this is just 1 coat and it gives a really good coverage. And it was $3.94, and it is color G037. This next polish is by the same brand. I'm not sure why it was more expensive. It was $5.87, and it is in the color N06. It is a beautiful color. All these brands seem to have, this brand seems to have really good cat eye effect, and I'm really loving the cat eyes at the moment. So as you can see, it really pulls up a good cat eye. So this was beautiful, and it is a color that I will wear. Now same brand again, different bottle. This is also a cat eye, and this was a color I just couldn't resist. It is just this gorgeous purple shade. It's almost a lilac purple, and again this is also a cat eye, and this one was $4.38, and look how gorgeous that is. I can see myself wearing this color a lot. It's gorgeous. This next one is a brand I have not used before, so it's Miss Missidi or Missidi, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. It is a nude color, and I go through a lot of nude, so I thought I would give this one a go. This one is a lot more peach than what I normally use, and it is color JY01, and it's called the Ice Skin Nude Color Series, and it's $4.24. This is the one that I normally use, so you can see it's a little bit lighter, and that's my favorite brand. So far I will be getting more of this one as well. Now I decided to get some transfer gel. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce this brand, but I'm just going to show you how it is used on a swatch. I have never used transfer gel before, and I've bought this little transfer paper which has got some very subtle holographic flecks in it to try with it to see how it goes. The transfer gel was $2.48 and the transfer sticker was $1.31. So you can see it transfers really well, really easy. So I can't wait to sort of play around with this and see how it comes out. I do have another transfer sticker that I've never used before, so I will give that a go. And then the next item I got is this white liner. This was $3.62 and it's by a brand called Anam Nail Salon. Now I bought this because I thought it might be easier to do smile lines with rather than sort of using the polish, because my white polish is opaque but it leaves streaks, so I thought this might be a better version. So I'll just go ahead and put, as you can see, I've already dropped it on my new cloth, but that's okay, that's what it's there for. So I'll just go ahead and put this on and cure it and see how it comes out. Now this next item is a palette. I'm not sure what I was expecting. It comes with a cuticle pusher, which is pretty cute. Now I didn't know whether this would come like a polish, or I guess I wasn't really sure, but just looking at the texture of it, it is like flakes, so it's like shimmer flakes, as you can see there, but it does spread, so when you put it on it does kind of have a slightly creamy texture, but it is still flakes. So I'm not sure how I will use it, but I'm sure it would look great in capsulated designs or as accents. So, and the colors are beautiful. So I'll just go ahead and swatch them all, and then I'll put some top coat on and bring all the colors back to you. Oh, and this was $5.31 for the palette.
Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home. Get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you live fresh and lose control. You don't wanna go slow. For sure, we both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it, baby. You know.
So here they all are swatched and with a top coat on them. I think they are absolutely beautiful colors. I'm not quite sure what I will do with them yet, but I'm sure I'll find something, and they were a great buy. Now this product is one of my absolute favorite products and best finds from Temu. It is the fibre rubber base gel, and I use it all the time. I like this product so much I bought 2 of them so I don't run out, and it was $6.82 for both bottles. And this is what has kept my nails from breaking off during their damaged cycle. When I was putting press-ons on all the time and I was trying different removers, I wasn't having much luck getting them off without ripping and damaging all my nails, and they are literally paper thin underneath this. Like, they feel very strong, almost like I've got a gel overlay, because this stuff has fibers in it. And I use this on before every design that I do, and just to keep it on my nails, even if I'm just having bare nails, I will have a few layers of this on, and it makes them feel so strong. I've even literally done a tip out of this to elongate my nail, and it worked perfectly. So this is the old bottle that I've still got a fair bit left, and I use it all the time, so I would highly recommend buying this product. And next is this little crystal plate that I bought. It's a lot larger than the one I've currently been using. This one was $3.46, and this is so that I can use that for mixing my polishes, or just, that's the one I've been using, as you can see and would have seen if you've watched any of my videos. And this one's a lot larger, so it's going to be a lot better for what I need it for. And this next item are just some new chrome pads, or if I want to do Sistico, because I've sort of overused and I've cleaned all my pads up, and sometimes they get damaged when you're washing them and the heads come off, so I thought I'll get some more. These were pretty good quality for a really cheap price. They were $2.42 for 50 pads. And next is this little silicone stamper. I got this one for $1.26, and I thought this one would be better and easier to use for some of the designs, because you can actually see through it when you're putting it on the nail, whereas my other one is just the round one, and I find that one a little more difficult to, so as you can see, like it's starting to age now, but you can't really see when you're putting it on accurately 100% where it's going on the nail, so I thought this one would be easier to use, and that one was $1.26. I got some more of these little cotton buds. They are $1.53 for 100 pieces. I also got some more of these lint-free wipes. This was $2.25 for 200 pieces, and I use a lot of these and thought I would just grab some more. These ones come in a little tub. I also got some green ones which come in just a packet. They were $2.42 for 200 pieces as well. Now this next item is a little glass dappen dish, and it is going to be used as a brush cleaner. So I did buy some brush cleaner in a previous haul, and it came in a plastic tub, but I preferred something with glass, and this was really cute with the rainbow colors, and it was $3.81.
Maybe it's too late.
And next is this cuticle oil. It is by Idol Color, and it is a premium Japanese style oil, and I must admit I got it mainly for the aesthetics. I thought it's a gorgeous bottle with the flowers. I got the peach scented one, and they come in all different scents, and it was $3.23. Now just trying it on now, I'm not going to say that it's better than the one I currently use, which is this oil here, which I also got off Temu, and this one feels a little bit thicker and more nourishing, but I'll give the other one a go and we'll see how it goes, because the bottle's just gorgeous. But if not, I'll return back to this one. Now this next item is a silicone applicator, and it was 85 cents, and I bought this to use with the chrome powder to see how it went. I've seen other people use these and it looked pretty simple, so I thought I'd give it a go. I have tried other silicone applicators which worked really well, but they were the jelly type ball on the end, and it kind of got all cut up when you're going down the side of the nail. So I'm going to show you how it works. Just putting a layer of top coat first and curing. I'm just going to use this holographic chrome powder and see how that goes. Please excuse any loud noise that you might hear in the background. We've got a lot of construction going on around us at the moment, and upstairs is grinding, so hopefully you can't hear it too loud. There it goes. But yeah, this applicator works really well, and I will definitely be using it. Next up, I'm going to be showing you some decals. You may not see me use these in designs going forward because I actually bought these for my daughter because she is cat obsessed. So these black ones were $1.35 and these other cute ones were $2.15, and I think they're gorgeous, and maybe I'll convince her to let me use some for a design, but I thought they were beautiful. These ones I bought for myself, and I got a few different ones. I'll just go through each of them with you and give you their prices. So these first ones were 2 sets of 5D Gothic Rose and Skull. It's $2.65, and you get both the purple and the red, and I thought these were gorgeous, and of course my daughter's eyeing them off as well, so I better get in quick if I want to do a design for these. Otherwise, if she ends up doing one, maybe I'll just take a pic of her nails. But yeah, these are really gorgeous. I do love all things Gothic, but it's kind of that hidden side of myself that I play with every now and then. And these red ones I thought were absolutely gorgeous as well. So 2 of those for $2.65. These ones are Golden Star and Moon, little kind of line designs, or they're very intricate and delicate, and I thought these would look great in some of my designs just because they're nice and fine and they're detailed, and sometimes it's easier to put a decal on than it is to draw the design. So these were $2.11 for that one piece that you get there. Sorry guys, I'm trying to edit this video amongst this unrelenting grinding noise upstairs, but these heart and flower decals I thought was so cute, and they would look so pretty if you wanted to do just a sort of classic design, and they were $1.11. Okay, these ones are called Sweetheart Princess Baroque nail stickers, and they are $1.59. And they come in a variety of colors. You can get silvery ones, gold ones. You can even get ones that have got like little crystally colors in the middle of the hearts. And they're really, really pretty. And I thought these would come in handy because they do have some stars and moons and bows and hearts. So they'll come in handy for multiple designs. And last of all, in this relatively small Temu haul, I got some of these stamping plates, and I wanted to get some that had some flower designs on, because flowers for me can be difficult to draw and I can't always get exactly what I want, so I thought I would give these a try. I haven't mastered the art of stamping yet, but I'm enjoying practicing, so you may see some of these designs come up in future videos. And this was $3.93 for 2 plates, and you can see here the type of flowers and different leaves, dragonfly on this one. And the second plate that comes with it has some different designs, so there's some more flowers and some framed ones as well. So I'm looking forward to coming up with some designs to try these out. I would love to know what you think, or even some suggestions of what would look good. Thanks again for watching, and come and follow me on Instagram if you like my content. See you next time.